Almond flour chocolate cookies, keto friendly, gluten-free. Looking for a decadent treat that's kind to your body? These almond flour chocolate chip cookies are your answer. They're packed with rich chocolate flavor, satisfyingly chewy, and completely grain-free and gluten-free. Plus, they're surprisingly simple to make with just a few basic ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Dry ingredients. 1½ cups blanched almond flour. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. ½ teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Wet ingredients. ½ cup unsalted butter, softened. ½ cup brown sugar, packed. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Chocolate goodies. 1 cup chocolate chips, dark, semi-sweet, or a mix. Optional 1/4 cup chopped nuts, pecans, walnuts, or almonds. Ready to bake? Let's get started. 1. Prep your oven and pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. Whisk the dry. In a medium bowl, whisk together the almond flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. 3. Cream the butter and sugar. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. 4. Mix it wet. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract to the butter mixture until well combined. 5. Dry to wet. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix. 6. Chocolate overload. Fold in the chocolate chips and nuts, if using, until evenly distributed. 7. Scoop and bake. Using a cookie scoop or tablespoon, portion the dough onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. 8. Bake to perfection. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are slightly soft. 9. Cool and enjoy. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips for the perfect cookie. Use a kitchen scale for accurate measurements of the almond flour. Chill the dough for 30 minutes before baking for thicker cookies. Don't overbake. Almond flour cookies tend to brown quickly, so keep an eye on them. Store leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze them for longer storage. This recipe makes about 12 to 15 delicious cookies, perfect for sharing with friends and family, or indulging all by yourself. So ditch the guilt and whip up a batch of these keto-friendly, gluten-free, and unbelievably delicious almond flour chocolate chip cookies today.